Guys, we have very bad rain and very severe wind. Oh my gosh. The wind. Guys. This is like a hurricane, it feels like. This feels like a hurricane on how like windy it is, and it's crazy, guys. Wow, that's a sure glimpse. Of everything. Focus. Yes. Really see it flooding down there. And move it over there. Yeah. Pretty good rain event, I would say. Oh wow, it's really starting to come down. It's not quite hail, but still, my gosh, this is like a hurricane. You can see, you know, like the fog, and then it goes through like the wisps of air. Like, look at the parking lot. Oh my god. Oh, I wish this was during the day. The wind. The wind. Everything is flooding. My gosh. My gosh. Oh, it's getting really bad. Look at the flooding. Oh my gosh, this is a major rain event. Oh my gosh, there's so much flooding. Ooh, the car got out of it right in time. Raining super hard. Oh wow. Look at all that flooding over there. Completely flooded over there. Oh my gosh, trees are whispering around. Camera doesn't measure it well. Is it hailing? No, surely not. Oh, but it's windy as heck. It is windy as heck. This is the peak. And it sure was a beautiful one. Oh, oh. Wind gust. Severe wind gust. Severe wind gust. Oh, it's ripping across the parking lot. Oh my. That's crazy. Wow. Guys, that was a crazy wind gust. Well, I think that's it. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.